Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of Nifty 50 in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a daily chart of Nifty. Here as you can see that on March 23rd, Nifty started the day with an opening at 14,768 and tested high at 14,878 and a low at 14,707 and finally closed the day at 14,814. So friends, here I find that today the Nifty could start the day with a gap down opening due to going lockdowns in European countries with going with a steep growth in coronavirus cases once again, and in India we have seen a steep growth in coronavirus cases despite a plethora of efforts to vaccinate a major part of population. We could not control a steep growth in COVID-19 cases. So once again we have gone back to the levels of November 2020. So therefore, I find that this could delay economic recovery, which could impact the movements of Indian equity markets. Not only the Indian equity markets, I find that the global equity markets could feel the impact of delay in economic recovery because yesterday we have seen a sharp fall in US indices where most of the equity indices faced a stiff resistance at the current levels and finally closed the day near about a loss of 1%. And secondly, the crude prices found a sharp slump of more than 3% on March 23rd. So I find that this looks evident enough for a long delay in economic recovery, which could keep the global equity markets under heavy bearish pressure. So therefore, I find that today the Nifty could start the day below the immediate support of upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is at the levels of 14,688. We could find a steep downward move in Nifty up to the levels of 14,375, where some bouncing move can be seen. But I find that if the Nifty is not able to defend this support till the end of this week, we could see the Nifty to test the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is at the levels of 14,500. So therefore, I find that we could see a sharp fall to continue in Nifty during this week. So friends, now let us check this move in an hourly time frame. So here in an hourly time frame, here you can see that how the Nifty is trying to defend the lower end of Ichimoku cloud on March 23rd. So today I find that the Nifty could start the day below the levels of 14,718, and I find that the immediate support for Nifty will be at the levels of 14,613. And if the Nifty is not able to defend this immediate support in an hourly time frame, we could see this fall to continue during the rest of the week. So friends, now let's check the movements of Bank Nifty. So here you can see a daily chart of Bank Nifty. We have seen the Bank Nifty has been constantly facing a stiff resistance at the levels of 34,200. So therefore, I find that if the Bank Nifty starts the day with the gap down opening below the levels of 33,737, we could see the Nifty to test the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of 33,298. And I find that a sustainable move of Bank Nifty below this level could push the Bank Nifty up to the levels of 32,603. And I find that if the Bank Nifty is not able to defend this immediate support at 33,334, we could see this fall to continue where the Bank Nifty could find the second support at 32,713. So friends, here I find that a formation of a bearish crossover in a daily time frame here in Bank Nifty could keep Bank Nifty under heavy bearish pressure, where we could see Bank Nifty to see a steep fall during the rest of the week, whereas I find that the Nifty could close this week below the levels of 32,640. So friends, now let's check this move in an hourly time frame. So here in an hourly time frame, here you can see that how the Bank Nifty has been currently trading much below the lower end of Ichimoku cloud. Friends, here in an hourly time frame, here you can see that how the Bank Nifty found a strong support at the levels of 33,400, from where a sharp recovery was seen, and the Bank Nifty finally closed the day at 34,184. So friends, here I find that if the Bank Nifty start the day below the levels of 33,861, we could see this fall to continue, where the Bank Nifty could find second support at the levels of 33,386, and a sustainable move below this level could push the Nifty to test new lows today. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.